What is up, guys? Hey, it's Manny B here with Skinny Water Boys. Dude, 2018 was an awesome year. I don't know about you guys, but hey, there is so much to be thankful for this year. The channel's growing, big fish have been caught, you know, you name it, it's awesome. There's nothing I can complain about right now, except the Cowboys suck so bad. Oh, but anyways, guys, this is a rewind of 2018, and I'll be putting best of my catches in there. Man, there's so much that happened. I'm having to, like, you know, sift through, like, look through all my footage and really see what was like the best of 2018, and maybe even the biggest fails of 2018. I don't know yet, but we will find out. Let me know in the comments below, what was your biggest win or success of 2018, or your biggest fail, whichever. It doesn't matter, because if you can't laugh at yourself, then nobody can laugh at you, because you can always find me laughing at myself, because I do some pretty Bill Dance stuff in my time on the kayak, off the kayak, you name it. By the time you're watching this, we're counting down the days of Christmas, counting down to 2019. I can't wait to see what's in store for 2019. Baby, that's a big smallie. No freaking way. No way. That's a huge smallie. Oh, come here, baby. Oh, get in here, baby. Yes! Oh my gosh! That might be a record smallie. Dude! Look at that smallie. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, 19.5 inches long. Not a record, I don't think. But 3.88. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, try it. Oh my gosh! Dude, that was a monster! Oh, dude! Oh my gosh! Dude, how's your rod floating? I don't know, but thank God it is. Oh, I'm tangled up. God! Huh? I set the hook and the freaking rod got yanked out of my hand. Dude, that thing was huge. Right here. Dude, wait till you see that video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come here, baby. Get in the net. Yes. Oh. Dude. God, that's freaking toad. That's like a 7, maybe 6. Yes! Let's go. Freaking tank. Yes! Yes! Come on, baby. Yes! Yes, baby. I'm shaking, boys. Let's go. He hooked. Barely hooked. Those are some nice ones, bro. That's their beds right there on. Oh yeah, boy! Just don't let it bounce around. Yes, Timothy. Oh, through the. Let's go. Here we go, boys. Timothy with some beast. Easy on that.
Yeah, I'll show you all that.
Hell yeah, Tim.
Oh!
Turn the camera.
I got it. It's on. 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 Oh, dude. Put her down. Put her down.
Boom, baby.
On the what? Oh, you. Let me see. Let me see here. Dude, I just heard the. Oh, dude. I don't know if she's more than 24, but she's a freaking beast. Check it out. Y'all saw that on my film. 24 and a quarter. How big is it, Manny?
24 and a quarter, baby. Alright guys, let's give big thank you to my homies, you know, from the Lone Star River Riders, Albert, Ross, Brandon, Travis, Gilbert, Eric, you name it, even the other friends, Celerio, all the friends that I went fishing with this year. It was awesome. I just gotta say thank them, because they're always down to go on these wild adventures, always go out there and just, you know, try new things, which is really awesome. It's like something you really need to have when you're doing something like we're doing. You gotta have that group of friends that are always down. Don't care if we get skunked, don't care if we catch. It's all about being out there, experiencing nature, crossing off areas that aren't good for fishing, and, you know, just getting out there. So if you find a group of friends like that, I suggest sticking with them, because those are some good lifelong friends. And also, thank you guys for watching all the videos. Thank y'all so much. Without this, it's not possible to do what I'm doing right now. And of course, gotta give glory to God first and foremost. Looking forward to 2019. If you're new here, guys, maybe consider subscribing if you really like this kind of stuff. If you don't subscribe. But yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Hey, New Year's, you know, everybody sets, you know, New Year's resolutions. Let's throw some down in the comments. Throw some goals, and I'll throw some goals down too on the first video of 2019. And let's see who, you know, sticks to those goals and sticks to fulfilling them. That should be interesting. I know everybody goes to the gyms, you know, tries new stuff for the first month, maybe at the most. I'm guilty of doing some sort of stuff, doing that as well. So nobody's perfect, but let's set some goals and let's try something new, guys. That's what I challenge y'all for of 2019. I think I have one more video coming out this year, maybe one, I think it is. Yeah, one more video if I can make it with the holidays and everything. Christmas, New Year's, family, coming down from another country. Hey, thanks for the love. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next episode with Manny B and the Skinny Water Boys.